Separation anxiety is a common behavioral issue that affects many dogs. It can lead to distressing behaviors such as excessive barking, destructive chewing, and house soiling when the dog is left alone. Addressing separation anxiety is crucial not only for the dog's well-being but also for the peace of mind of their owners. In this video, we'll explore some practical tips for managing separation anxiety in dogs, brought to you by RAVETerinary, your trusted source for pet care advice. 1. Gradual departures and arrivals. One effective way to combat separation anxiety is to desensitize your dog to departures and arrivals. Practice short departures and returns throughout the day, gradually increasing the time you are away. This technique helps your dog understand that you will return and reduces the anxiety associated with your absence. Remember to keep greetings low-key to avoid intensifying the emotions surrounding your arrivals and departures. 2. Create a safe space. Dogs are den animals and naturally seek comfort in enclosed spaces. Designate a safe area, such as a crate or a room, where your dog can retreat when alone. This space should be comfortable, filled with familiar objects, and associated with positive experiences. Regularly place treats or toys inside the area to reinforce the idea that being alone can be rewarding. 3. Exercise and mental stimulation. A tired dog is less likely to be anxious. Before leaving your dog alone, engage them in physical activities and mental exercises. Go for a long walk, play fetch, or involve them in interactive games and puzzles that challenge their mind. A stimulated and exercised dog is more likely to relax during alone time. 4. Calming music or white noise. Playing calming music or white noise can help create a soothing environment for your dog when they're alone. These sounds can mask external noises and provide a sense of security, reducing anxiety. Several streaming platforms offer playlists specifically designed for calming pets, and you can try different ones to see which works best for your furry friend. 5. Avoid punishment for anxious behaviors. Punishing a dog with separation anxiety will only exacerbate the problem and may lead to more destructive behaviors. Instead, reward calm behavior and positive reactions to alone time. Encourage your dog to be independent by offering treats or toys when they display relaxed behavior. 6. Seek professional help. If your dog's separation anxiety is severe and persists despite your best efforts, it may be time to consult a professional dog trainer or a veterinary behaviorist. These experts can offer personalized advice and create a behavior modification plan tailored to your dog's specific needs. They may recommend desensitization and counter-conditioning techniques or, in some cases, suggest medication as a short-term aid. Managing separation anxiety in dogs requires patience, consistency, and understanding. Each dog is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. As pet owners, it's our responsibility to provide a safe and nurturing environment for our furry companions.